Hello everyone, welcome to Aspire Academy. Now we are going to deal with Phylum Mollusca. Okay, the animal kingdom includes Phylum Mollusca also. Okay, now let's see what are mollusks. What are the features? Okay, so Mollusca is a phylum of soft-bodied organism. So the organism that belongs to this Mollusca, they are mostly soft-bodied and shelled animal. Mollusk, ठीक है? तो ये क्या है? शेल्ड एनिमल है. बहुत ही कॉमन एग्जाम्पल है स्नेल. ठीक है, स्नेल वी नो, स्नेल के ऊपर एक हार्ड कवरिंग होता है, शेल्ड होता है. ठीक है, शेल्ड एनिमल दैट पोजेस एन अनसेगमेंटेड, ठीक है, अनसेगमेंटेड सिलोमेड. बॉडी इज अनसेगमेंटेड एंड इट इज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट एनिमल फाइलम आफ्टर आर्थ्रोपोड. आर्थ्रोपोड के बाद जो नेक्स्ट फाइलम विच इज द मोस्ट लार्जेस्ट वन, दैट इज सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट इज मोलस्का. ठीक है, octopus, snail, so these are included in this phylum. Now what is the habitat? Where are they found? So mollusks, they are terrestrial. ठीक है, snails we know aquatic region में मिलते हैं, terrestrial region में मिलते हैं. So they can either be terrestrial or aquatic. Okay, marine भी हो सकते हैं, fresh water में भी पाए जा सकते हैं. Okay, so body form कैसा है? Unsegmented. They are not segmented. Unsegmented with a distinct head, okay, muscular foot and visceral hump. Okay, it is much different than arthropods. Arthropods में हमने देखा था head है, thorax है, abdomen है. But here it is head, muscular foot is there, then visceral hump. Okay, in this structure also, diagram also, you can see the uppermost part, the shell, hard covering. Okay, and the mouth region is there. ठीक है, digestive system ये सारे तो है इसके पास. Foot, ठीक है, foot part is also there. Now visceral hump, it is also present in these mollusks. About the symmetry, okay, so again bilateral symmetry is found in the mollusk. So in some of the mollusks, adult become asymmetrical due to torsion, like pila. ठीक है, pila भी belong करता mollusca से. ठीक है, ड्यू टू सम मॉडिफिकेशन, टॉर्शन के वजह से क्या होता है, उनके बॉडी जो इट हैज द एसिमेट्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, बट रेस्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द अदर दे आर हैविंग बाइलैटरल सिमेट्री. ओके, नाउ अबाउट द बॉडी प्लान, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, germ layer. So when we are talking about the body plan, again there is tube within a tube. Okay, tube within a tube, this is the body plan. And now organ system level, ठीक है, again organ system. So here you can see organ level system of organization there is there, and germ layer कैसा है? Triploblast है. They are triploblastic, 3 germinal layer. ठीक है, 3 germinal layer is there. Okay, now here you can see in this diagram, as already body structure के बारे में हमने देखा, head है, muscular foot है, visceral hump है. So this part, ये part आपका क्या हो गया? Visceral hump region. ये पार्ट नीचे, लोअर वाला पार्ट क्या हो गया? फूट. एंड द हेड पार्ट, दीज आर इजीली डिस्टिंग्विशेबल. सो मैंटल और पैलियम, वी कैन सी मैंटल और पैलियम इज अ सॉफ्ट एंड अ स्पॉन्जी लेयर ऑफ द स्किन ओवर द विसरल हम्प. सो विसरल हम्प के ऊपर एक स्पॉन्जी सॉफ्ट लेयर है, दैट इज नोन एज मैंटल, एंड द स्पेस बिटवीन द हम्प एंड द मैंटल इज कॉल्ड मैंटल कैविटी. Okay, so we can see mantle है, ठीक है, it is a soft and spongy layer over the visceral hump. hump के ऊपर है, ठीक है, visceral hump के ऊपर होता है mantle, and the space between the hump and the mantle, that is known as mantle cavity. Okay, now the shell, it is secreted. shell कैसे बना है? mollusk के जो shell होते हैं किसके बने होते हैं? ठीक है, it is secreted by mantle. Okay, so here you can see in this diagram shell part. ठीक है, ये ऊपर में आप देख रहे हो shell है, लोअर पहले mantle है, उसके ऊपर shell है. Okay, now here you can see the shell is mostly made up of calcium carbonate. जो mollusk के सेल होते हैं किसके बने होते हैं? calcium carbonate, CaCO3 से. It may be external, internal. ठीक है, so shell can be sometime internal or external shell. An example, slug, कटल फिश, ठीक है, स्क्विड हो गया, और एब्सेंट, कहीं कहीं शेल एब्सेंट भी होते हैं, लाइक इन ऑक्टोपस. इफ यू रिमेंबर द बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑक्टोपस, देयर इज नो शेल. ठीक है, शेल नहीं है ऑक्टोपस में, सो दे आर विदाउट शेल ऑक्टोपस. एंड द ऑर्गेनिज्म दोज हु आर हैविंग शेल, दैट इज स्लग, cuttlefish, squid. Okay, now the body wall. It is composed of ciliated epidermis. ठीक है, body wall कैसा है? Ciliated epidermis is there and unstriated muscles present in the bundle. Here unstriated muscles are present. Okay, here you can see visceral hump, ये central region है. ठीक है, visceral hump के ऊपर हमने क्या देखा? There is mantle and over there, just above that there is a shell. Okay, the food part is also present. एंड माउथ रीजन के पास आप देख रहे हो एक स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट इज नोन एज रेड्यूला, व्हिच इज एक्टिंग एज अ टीथ. विल कम टू नो अबाउट दैट. ओके, नाउ बॉडी कैविटी, mollusks, they are having true coelom, so we can say they are true coelomate with caesoshield. Okay, now about cephalization. Cephalization, the head region, that is usually present and it is very distinct head. However, it is fused with foot in cephalopods. Cephalopods में क्या होता है? The head is fused with the foot region. Okay. The respiratory system, gaseous exchange occur with the help of the gills or tinidia, which is found in the mantle cavity. ठीक है, mantle cavity में there is having tinidia. ठीक है, tinidia present होता है जो कि respiration में help करता है. So again you can see over here, this is the structure of pila. ठीक है, asymmetry show करता है. Okay, so here you can see the whole body wall, this part, apex of the whole shell. Shell का apex part है ये. Okay, this is known as outer lip, mouth or aperture region. This is okay. This is a basic जो structure है पाइला का. Now we'll see the digestive system. Digestive system, again it is complete. Complete digestive system is present and there is alimentary canal and digestive glands are also present. Okay, digestive glands present hai. Here you can see digestive glands are present, which is helping in the digestion. Okay, so the mouth contains a rasping organ for feeding, that is known as radula. Okay, rasping organ, that is known as radula. Now, circulatory system is again open type of circulatory system. The blood contain a copper blue, ठीक है, blue copper containing respiratory pigment that is known as hemocyanin. ठीक है, तो mollusk में क्या होता है? हेमोसाइनिन प्रेजेंट होता है उनके ब्लड में, which is bluish. ठीक है, blue copper containing pigment. Okay. Now the excretory system. Okay. So mollusk, they have excretory system. So there is a one sac-like kidney, okay, that help in the removal of the waste product. Now ammonia is a chief excretory product in the mollusk. About the sensory system when we are talking, so it include what? Photoreceptors. Okay, photoreceptors, eyes are present. Tactile tentacles are there. Okay, tactile tentacles and cysts for balancing. Okay, so these are the sensory organs. Now about the nervous system. So nervous system, it consists of 3 to 4 pair of ganglia. Okay, so you can see this is chitin. ठीक है, ये है chitin and this is squid. Okay, now in both you can see the anterior nerve ring is present. ठीक है, ganglia है head region के पास and nerve cord is arranged. Okay, here you can see also ganglia is present. Okay, so it consists of 3 to 4 pair of the ganglia, cerebral ganglia that is present at the cerebral region, head region, paddle, visceral and pleural. Okay, now ganglia are jointed by commissure, connectives and commissures are present. Okay, in this diagram you can clearly see. Okay, इसमें आप देख सकते हो. Okay, cerebral commissure. Okay, you can see cerebral commissure. Okay, then cerebral nerves are present. Again here you can see ganglionic mass, जहाँ पे ganglia present है. Buccal commissure is also there. Visceral ganglia. ठीक है, This is visceral ganglia, visceral nerve. Now, these are the most important part of the nervous system. Ganglia is the most important structure. Okay. Now, reproduction. So, reproduction in mollusks, how the sexes are generally separate, and they can be either oviparous or they can be ovoviviparous. Okay. Eggs, that means the egg will be developed within the individual. Okay. Now, this was about the reproduction. Now, what about the fertilization? The fertilization can be both external and internal. Okay. Development is through tocophora larva. ठीक है, larva stage होता है, that is tocophora or veliger larva, indirect development. Okay. Now, what are the examples of mollusks? What are the organisms that belongs to this mollusca? Pila, which is known as apple snail. Okay. Cuttlefish, that is known as sepia. ठीक है. Loligo, which is squid. ठीक है. Octopus, devilfish. So, these all belongs to the phylum Mollusca. Okay. Now, about the unique features. The three body region, the head, the visceral mass, and the foot, these are the important features of their body structure. So, a glandular foot is glandular fold is there. Okay. Mantle over the body, mantle is there. Okay. Now, mantle cavity with anal, excretory and genital aperture in it. So, mantle cavity is there, जिसमें excretory, genital and anal aperture is there. Calcareous shell. ठीक है, calcareous shell is present, which is made up of calcium carbonate. And a rasping organ that is known as radula, that is also present in the buccal cavity. Okay. तो ये सब किसका यूनिक फीचर है? मोलास्क का. Now, how they are more advanced than annelida? They have the distinct head in most of the species, muscular arrangement in the bundles for moving and specific part. Lungs are also present in some form and for pulmonary respiration. Lungs है किस लिए? Pulmonary respiration के लिए. We know when the term pulmonary is given, so that means it is related to the lungs. So, the better sense organs such as eye, statocyst and ostradia, these are also present. Now, we have came to the end of the topic Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca also we have covered up. I hope you have understood the concept of this topic. Now, I hope phylum, that is whole animal kingdom, just now we are just left with Echinodermata. Rest all phylum we have covered up. Okay. So, thank you for watching.